Hello friends, myself Vismay Patel and I am doing job as a computer teacher in Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School Sarsa. Today we discuss about chapter number 1 in standard 10, basic introduction of HTML, and today we covered two topics, heading tag and text formatting tag. Now to begin with heading tag. So what is heading tag? Heading tag is used to heading in HTML program. HTML defines 6 levels of heading tags. It starts with H1 and ends with H6. There are 6 types of tags in heading tag. So first of all start with H1 tag. H1 tag is the highest level of tag and H6 is a least level of tag. So now start with a simple program and we start simple program. First of all we write HTML, then whenever we start HTML program or HTML tag, so we must be close that tag. So we close the HTML tag, then after we take a tag head, and then after head tag close, and now inside of the head tag we are using a tag title. So start with title tag. Whenever we start a title tag open, then close the title tag. So whenever we write down in title tag, so it's display on program's title, right? So we write down just sample demo program. Now the outside of the head tag, one new tag is, we take a one new tag, that is body tag. Whenever we start body tag, also close body tag, and body tag, inside the body tag we start a tag of heading tag. Heading tag means H1 tag, and now we write down hello friends and close that tag H1, right? Now we write down all the heading tags in our program. So we just write it down in our program, all the tags. So you know the difference about the all tags, right? So now here H2 and also here H2 we write it down. Here we write it down H3 and H3 close. Here we write it down H4 and H4 close. H5 and H5 close. H6 and H6 close. Now we save the program with extension with .html and you click on save. So it's save on your desktop. So double click to open the tag. So you display on screen. There are different kinds of tags we use. Then H1 tag is biggest one font, then after small, one time small, then after one time small, then after one time small, and least level of tag, right? Now we are starting different other tags, right? So p tag. So the p tag defines a paragraph tag. So it is a block level element and always start on new line. Before and after each paragraph, browsers added margin automatically, right? So start with p tag. So whenever you write down in p tag, so paragraph is write down on your program. So we start with p tag. So start with hello friends, myself Ismail, and today I am going to take one laptop from shop, and it is good RAM in it. So this is our paragraph, right? So now Control S, then after we are going on to browser and just click on refresh button. So now whenever we write on paragraph tag, so display on screen paragraph, right? Now BR tag. BR tag means break tag, right? So the HTML BR element produce a line break in text. It is useful for writing a poem or an address, right? So we just see how to work BR tag, right? So here I dot and enter. Now here we put tag BR. So Control S, then go to browser and just click on refresh button. So you see in screen there are paragraph, continue and break the line, right? Now PRE tag. The HTML PRE tag is used for indicating performated text. Reformatted text. Reformatted text means it is used for pre-formatted text. Now you see in Control S, and now you see in browser, then you just click on refresh. It is same as a paragraph text, so there doesn't change in our paragraph, right? So now we are going through B tag, I tag and U tag. B tag defines bold tag, I tag defines italic text, and U tag defines underline tag. So now we just run the program B tag, I tag and U tag, right? Now start with B tag. Hello friends. Now whenever we open B tag, then close it properly, right? B tag, then U tag. Then after I tag. Now Control S and then go into browser and just refresh the page. So you see the difference between B tag, U tag and I tag, right? Now we start a S tag. We learn a new tag which is S tag. The S element is used to identify text that is no longer accurate. So now we watch S tag. S tag, hello friends, and S tag over. Control S, then go into browser and just refresh. So you see the S tag how work, right? Now TT tag. The TT tag was used to design an inline teletype text. The TT tag was used to generate inline teletype text, right? So we start with TT tag and /TT. Control S, then go into browser and just refresh. So you see the difference between this text and this text also, right? So now we learn some new text, which is small tag. The small tag is used to make the text one size smaller. So let's see our program, right? So we are using small tag and hello friends and just close small tag, right? Then control S and go into browser and just refresh. So whenever you see on your web browser, so the one time smaller text are displayed, right? Now big tag. So the big tag is used to make the text one size bigger. So let's say big tag. Big tag. Big tag. Then control F and go into browser and just refresh. So you see here the text is one side is bigger than others, right? So now subtag. So the subtag is used to add a subscript text to the HTML document. So how it works? Let's say first of all we write down H, then subscript, then to, then subscript close, then we just write down O, then control S, and now we go into browser and press refresh button. So there is coming H2O, right? So the 2 is in under 2 is in subscript, right? So now superscript. So SUP tag to define superscripted text. So let's say X SUP super text X cube, then superscript over, then after Y superscript start to superscript over, then Z superscript start 4 superscript over, then control S, then go into browser and you just refresh it. So there is, you see, X cube, Y square and Z raised to 4, right? So that, you know that how that works, right? Now Q tag. The Q tag is a standard quotation tag and used for short quotation or simple quotation, right? So now let's see what is Q tag. Q tag, hello friends. Now Q tag over. We just save and go into browser and just refresh. So it is in double inverted comma, right? Double inverted comma, right? So today we are learning so many texts, and now you prepare it yourself. and now you practice on your computer. So goodbye.